Come on, Archie. If we run into Edward Jr., whose fault is it? Ours. Flipper just saw something. You're going first.
I hope he's not that guy with the cannons. Check him out, it's safe.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'll rather stay up here.
No, Jack, it's safe.
Yeah, you say that until that machine comes and batters you. Oh, I wouldn't go in there.
Jack is coming in the elevator. I didn't do anything. Edward Jr., I'm sorry. Edward Jr., I didn't do anything. I swear.
Bye-bye hookshot, because Archie said it is safe, and spoiler alert, I just got brutalised by Edward Jr.
Jack, I did tell you to come in the elevator and you didn't listen to me.
You said it was safe!
Yeah, to come in the elevator.
It should be safe at all times!
Okay, guys, so we're not gonna back down. Well, I was gonna back down at some point, but
No, I'm backing down. I'm getting a hookshot and then leaving.
Well, I'm not leaving, guys. Jack's not gonna be in this video only for a couple of minutes then.
What did you just call me, kid?
We're going to get our stuff and trying to beat it. Well, I think Jack's gonna leave because he did say that he's gonna leave. I'll be by myself.
Yeah, because my VR said it's on very low. What is this? Look, do you see it? Do you see that? Look, it's like an outline there. See?
Yeah.
Crap, it's never sweet in Tarpon Springs.
What nonsense are you saying?
Crap was never sweet in Tarpon Springs. Yes, no, maybe.
Yep, go on. He's approaching menacingly. Guys, that's Edward Jr. Edward Jr. I'm sorry. What did I do to you though? What did I do? I'm sorry. Edward Jr. Ha, you can't get me. Ha, you can't get me. You can't get me. You. What's that? Ha. Ha, you can't get me. Edward Jr., what did you do? Edward Jr. Edward Jr. Oh. Wrong way. Chuck, are you there? I think Jack's VR went dead. Guys, I'll see you in part 5 trying to beat the canopy. That was scary. It will probably be posted later next week, but we're going to try our best to find a solution to try and beat the canopy. Is Jack in the server? It's just me. Okay, so the VR, Aura VR out.